Now we turn our attention to the Google Pixel 7 Pro, the premier Android phone from Google with several enhancements over its predecessor, including a superior design, an advanced telephoto lens, and an upgraded ultra-wide sensor. The Pixel 7 is a compelling offering compared to the Google's 2021 flagship model. The Pixel 7 Pro features notable improvements, particularly in its camera capabilities. These enhancements could potentially sway even the most dedicated photographers to consider upgrading after a short span of 1 or 2 years. The most conspicuous transformation is found in a camera bar. The black visor, a source of numerous memes among tech enthusiasts, has been replaced. Google has opted for an aluminum cover for the camera band, which blends seamlessly with the frame. This change brings about not only an aesthetic upgrade but also practical benefits. Google has incorporated 3 cutouts in the aluminum stripe for the lens and flash, which should effectively eliminate the lens flare issue that marred in the 2021 model. While the Pixel 7 Pro exudes a premium feel, it may not quite match the recent Galaxy S series phone from Samsung. However, Google's build quality leaves little room for complaint. The display panel itself is commendable with reduced curve distortion that enhances viewing pleasure whether you are watching your favorite shows, series, or movies. Google seems to have taken a leaf out of Samsung book, providing an option to switch between 1080p and 1440p resolution by default. The Pixel 7 Pro operates at 1080p while text appears slightly blurred in FHD Plus mode. Visual and images remain unaffected. If this slight drop in resolution contributes to extended battery life, it seems like a justified compromise. As well, all Pixel phones, the camera are the standout feature. The main 50 megapixel sensor producing a 12.5 megapixel image captures stunning shots. The Pixel 7 Pro durability is another worthy aspect. With an IP68 rating of water and dust resistant, its scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Glass Victus further enhances its robustness. Google claims that the average battery life during testing was approximately 29 hours. However, battery life varies depending on usage and certain features will significantly reduce it. Nevertheless, Google's Pixel 7 Pro is an exceptional Android phone offering for 2023.